Ooh la la is orange chicken. Believe it or not, it's delicious and it's easy to make with this simple ingredient which you can find anywhere. Join me here at my small kitchen. There's always learning and fun here. Hello, warm greetings, Romulo here, and welcome to my kitchen. It's Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's where we grow, cook and share. Today we're sharing a very simple dish. Perhaps revolutionary. As you've heard, it involves the use of soda or not Sprite, but it's Fanta. It's orange flavored soda drink. I already marinated our chicken last night. As you probably expect, salt, generous salt. And if there's salt, there's pepper. Sugar, I use 1/4 cup. For this, 4 pieces. 4 pieces of drumstick and orange drink. Carbonated orange drink. Any brand. I have Fanta here. To add color and some flavor, just 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Yes, 1 teaspoon. That's it. As simple as this. I added some enhancement. I added garlic, just garlic. The original recipe does not need this. By the way, this is a Chinese or French dish. It is orange chicken, lifted or adapted from the lemon or honey lemon chicken. Instead of lemon, we're using orange. And it's not just orange, it's frizzy. It's orange string. Okay, there are several ways of doing this. Traditionally, they would fry this first. They would fry the chicken pieces and then add the thickened sauce. Second is, perhaps the easiest, is simply boil this until the sauce thickens. That's too simple. But anything fried tastes better than simply stewed. So we'll fry it first. And since I'm lazy to clean the kitchen later on, we're using an air fryer. If you're finding the entertainment as well as the instructional value of this video, I invite you to subscribe. We can also spread the oil like this. And into the fryer, outside. Outside. And while the chicken fries, let's thicken the sauce. This is the same sauce, the same marinade. Let's remind ourselves that I added sugar to this. The soda, the Fanta, also contains sugar. So the sugar content will give it some thickness and stickiness even. Let's enhance the aroma even further. Let's add some zest. Orange zest. And I'll cut a portion of this, I'll cut some slices to decorate or to garnish our dish when plating it. Or just before plating. This is very simple, there's hardly anything to say or to describe. Next time we'll be cooking honey lemon. Honey lemon chicken. As authentic as possible as the Chinese. Some versions of this dish require the addition of butter. And that makes sense because butter goes well with anything sour. Toast with marmalade and butter always works. Same formula here, so we're adding butter. I just turned it off. This is ready. We'll just have to wait for our chicken. Look how beautiful is our fried chicken. Thanks to the sugar content, we have this accentuated colors. Who can resist our chicken orange? Let's correct that. It's orange chicken. Let's taste it. I'm afraid it's still very hot. I'm certainly happy. Surprisingly, it's really delicious. And above all, it's easy to make. The butter also helps enhance the taste. Really happy. I'm gonna eat it with rice later, but I forgot to turn on the rice cooker.